In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to print web pages on Microsoft Edge browser for mobile, simple and easy. So what we are going to do is we need to enable the print before we try to do that. So we will tap on the hamburger menu at the bottom right corner of our screen, bottom right, tap on that. And now just slide to your left side if you are watching the video to your left, and you can see all menu, tap on all menu here. And now there is print here, so let's long press the print, and now let's try to add it. Right, so you have to remove one. So we just remove this, and then we tap on the print to add it, and then we tap on done to finish that. So now let's try hop on a page. Let's try up on this page here. Good. And now let's try to print it. So we tap on the hamburger menu again, bottom right, and now we slide and you see print here. Tap on print. Good. So on this print, you can see this, the whole pages here. On this print, you can even choose to download it. You get it. So here you just select your printer, or you just tap to save it as a PDF file and you later read it. If you want to download the page, there's also another strategy to do that. So tap add your printer or save as a PDF and you're good to go. So that's it on how you enable the print on Microsoft Edge browser. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.